Constructions. Pérama has the ability to build large vessels. Its comparative advantages are low cost, high quality and quick delivery. Yet up to now, the area has not been given the chance to develop its potentials to the maximum. An intense activity is also noticed in new buildings, as well as floating marine constructions of all types of length, up to 60 meters, passenger ships, car ferries, cargo ships, bulk carriers, tankers, auxiliary vessels, tugs, barges, floating cranes, research vessels, patrol boats, sailing boats, yachts, fishing boats, water tankers, cable ships, etc. At the same time, there is the potential of building specialized ships, anti-fouling vessels, scientific boats, research boats, passenger car ferries, etc. Moreover, the careening places of the area can build vessels with 1,500-ton maximum lightship, maximum deadweight capacity, about 4,000 dWt. Prefabrication of large parts of the ship, modules, is also possible. Apart from the required know-how and experience, the area has the technical capacity of building relatively large vessels. Besides the modern automatic systems that are available in the area, can fabricate large modules which can be assembled in the floating docks of the ship repairing base. Conversions. The area is well known for the conversions of passenger ships and cruise ships, particularly the period in between 1986 to 1993. Nowadays, it is estimated that a great number of conversions are being performed per year, mainly of passenger car ferries. The potentials of the area are unlimited. Ship repairs. Pérama has an international reputation for its potential in ship repairs. The 150 available posts are willing to moor about 1,500 handy-sized vessels per year. The potentials of the area units due to operational systems are the following. At Pérama, their repair is undertaken responsibly without any limitations in matters of size. Technical equipment, heavy machinery, coating baths and furnaces, and experience are the absolute guarantee. Crankshaft bearings spot matching is usually performed, but it causes no difficulties. With regards to fuel pumps and nozzles, specialized workshops with the right equipment and experience offer all kinds of possible repairs. Regulators and superchargers are also repaired by specialized workshops. Electric generators, and motors. Repair of electric generators is similar to the one of the main engine. Generators and motors are fully repaired in shipyards, specialized workshops, and electrical shops. Propellers and shaftings. The potentials on propeller repair are boundless. A great unit of the area cooperates on close terms with the Dutch LIPS BV. All required works on propellers of diameter up to 6.8 meters and weight up to 33 tons are unexceptionally performed there, even design and construction. Dynamic balancing is performed on propellers of diameter up to 2.5 meters or 6 meters trough bearings elevation and of weight of up to 10 tons, mainly on impellers and secondly on small propellers. Potentials on static balancing are also unlimited. The repair of shafts constitutes very important work, and that is why it is being surveyed. Gears and reduction gears. Besides the number of workshops that are able to undertake relatively slight repairs, there is a specialized unit that constructs gears as well as reduction gears. Steering gears and rudders. In cases of steering gear deformation, the suggested solution by specialized technicians is spot matching with first-class results. Despite their particulars, hydraulic systems repairs are performed equally well. Rudder repairs are successfully accomplished as well. Winches. All required works can be accomplished in this sector as well. Turbochargers and impellers. The balancing that is required after the repair is sufficiently dealt with, since small shipyards in the zone, as well as a few workshops, own the appropriate equipment. Boilers. For many years, a lot of independent steel workshops have attained experience in boilers repair, the so-called boiler shops, and nowadays they undertake boiler repairs of any kind. They also undertake other kinds of works such as retubing, welding of drums, and pressure vessels. Coolers and condensers. The potentials of Perama units in this sector are boundless. Specialized shops undertake any kind of work, while a lot of units have the ability to repair completely damaged coolers or even construct new ones. Steelworks. Steelworks constitute almost 50% of the total amount of works that are performed in Perama. The area disposes of a great deal of potentials in matters of replacement of steels or huge parts of the vessel. The impressive repair of a ULCC that was formerly accomplished by a unit in the area proves that in practice. Almost 3,750 tons of steels were replaced on the vessel, but is the kind of works that arouse great interest. Bull bows, bow replacement, bottom and keel replacement, replacement of frames, replacement of bow and stern, repairs equal to those that are performed in large shipyards abroad. Machine works. Machining, boring. Grinding, honing. Lapping, superfinishing. Coating. Electrolytic chrome coating. White metal casting. Bathing. Piping. There are also yachts safekeeping areas available. As an important part of the Greek civilization, shipping and shipbuilding have contributed significantly to the formation of our national identity. The construction of floating means and navigation rely on thousands of years of tradition and are still considered as the most important financial activities in our history. NEZ's long-term successful present and NAVSOP, the new organization, a 100% owned subsidiary of PPA, are leading the industry into a new, flourishing economic period. The important advantages against the competition during this time include low employee costs, political and economic support, excellent geographical position and climate, a large market via Greek shipping, motivation for peripheral industries are being developed. The zone will provide a location for passing ships. Experienced technical and executive employees are being created. The shipyards provide centres for know-how and innovation. The rising markets have led to investment activity and synergies. The recent initiatives will improve the local and boost shipyard activity.